All right, in this video, I want to recap each spread and go over when you would use one over the other. Grab a screenshot of this next slide and take a good long look at it because it's very easy to get them mixed up. When I started trading, mixing up the strikes, buying instead of selling, it's a very common mistake, and I've done it a bunch. So make sure that you take some time to memorize the difference between the verticals and make sure you know which strikes you're buying and selling. So the stock price is in the middle and it's represented by this line. And I've marked out where you are buying and selling each option in relation to the stock price. So the put spreads are on the left and the call spreads are on the right. Remember, the option closest to the stock price is the dominant option. With debit spreads, that's the long option. It's more expensive than the credit we receive from the short option. With credit spreads, the short option is the closest. The credit we receive is more than the debit we pay. Now, is there a difference between the bear call and the bear put, or the bull put and the bull call? Yes, they look the same, but they are not. Debit spreads are used to profit from directional moves in the stock and increases in volatility. Credit spreads are used to profit from time decay, decreases in volatility, and a neutral stock price. So, say we are expecting a bullish move. Do we place the bull call or the bull put? Well, you could do either one, but the debit spread is going to have better upside. Let's take, for example, a $20 wide spread. On the debit side, out of a total $2,000 pot, 1,300 might be profit and the max loss might be 700. And on the credit side, the opposite is true. Out of 2,000, we might receive a $500 credit and a $1,500 potential max loss. So, if we get a big move up, there's more profit in the debit spread. Now, if we're expecting the stock to chop around or only be mildly bullish, the debit spread might struggle to reach a decent profit. But with the credit spread, we can collect the potential 500 and we don't need a big move to the upside. We mainly kind of sit on our hands and just collect the time decay profits from the spread. So that wraps up the videos on intermediate options. If you've made it this far, congratulations. We're almost ready to start trading. The last fundamental section is going to be on the advanced spreads.